everyone. My name is Samantha Bray, but you guys can all just call me Sam. I am 23 years old and I currently live in Long Island, New York with my family. Right now, I am a nanny for two school-age kids, which is awesome, and I love them, and they're so great. Obviously, it's not really my full-time job, my career job, but it's really getting me through and getting me experience that I never really thought I would have at this age. Um, in the future, I do want to be a pediatric oncology social worker, which would be, working with kids who have cancer and working with them and their families and how to really cope with all that. So this course this entire master's course is really helping me get my foot in the door and understand what I'll be doing. In my previous courses, I really, really enjoyed the older adult project. I thought it was so much fun. I was really nervous about it in the beginning, but once, I really started it and interviewed my person, I thought it was a great project. I really, really enjoyed doing it. So I hope that in future courses, maybe there's something similar to that or another project that I really enjoy. Um, and in this course, I feel like I say this every time, but I am a little nervous about it. I was never really good with the whole political and legislative and Supreme Court mess. So I am really nervous that I'm not going to understand fully what this course is about, but I'm excited to learn it all with you. And I think that I will like broadening my horizon with this. I am excited to learn about all this stuff. I'm just, a little nervous, but I am excited. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.